guys, welcome back to my channel. It is so nice to see you again. Today I'm going to be testing out Dollar Tree lipsticks for you. These are like some new ones called Remy Rose, and I figured it's been such a long time, I might as well show you guys these shades and how they look, and they actually look pretty legit. Like, they look really cute, so I thought I'd test them out for you. You know, kind of like a good welcome back, I guess. But yeah, I don't know exactly how many shades there are total, but we're gonna try out this one called Annabelle first, and I really like it. It's a lip gloss, it's not a liquid lipstick. And this is just the tube that it comes in, you know, a simple basic tube, a straight applicator, no fancy doe foot applicator. Ooh, and it's kind of like I would say a spice brown color. It's really pretty. I like it, and the feel feels really pretty nice. But yeah, this is the shade. I just thought I'd zoom in to show you guys it so you can see a little better. And I think it's really pretty. I definitely would wear it, and the feel is nice. The next one we're gonna try out is called Charlotte. And of course, simple knowledge, start off with the nude colors first, so that way my lips do not get as stained. So this was the lightest shade that I had grabbed. And like I said, I'm not sure how many total shades there are. Now this shade in particular is not one that's really up my alley, just cause, I don't know, it looks like a cake color on me, like a little too nude. But if you have lighter skin than I do, I think it would look pretty. And the feel of it actually feels really great. It's not like one of those drying liquid lipsticks, but definitely feels like it. And the next one is a cream lipstick, actually, a tube one. And it's more of a maroon color. And I really like it. It's a cranberry-ish. Kind of reminds me of fall and Thanksgiving. Oh girl, do you see that color? There's me surprised at how pretty it is. It's actually really pigmented. I thought it'd be splotchy for Dollar Tree, but this is pretty legit, and it's really nice feeling. It's still shiny, so I can see it wearing off, but I mean, look at how pretty that color is. It looks really nice. And I think it'd be good on dark skin tones, light skin tones, medium skin tones like me. And here's me wiping it off with a wipey. This one wasn't actually too difficult to wipe off with a wipey, but Sofia right here, she was a little bit more difficult. You'll see in a minute. But she's this pretty reddish color. It looks more pinky red on here, but it's more red in real life. It's just the way the camera picked it up in the lights. But then again, this color blew me away too. I expected it to be patchy and kind of like, you know, kind of like the Milani ones, but this one works really great. And the applicator on this is not too bad at all. It's actually pretty nice, especially for being Dollar Tree. And I really like this color. If you pair it with like just a winged eyeliner, ooh, it'd be so nice around Christmas time. And the feel feels really good. It's not like the sticky kind where it sticks your lips together. So that's an added bonus. And now here comes the challenge of removing it. See, look at how much of a struggle I'm kind of having getting it off. And it's kind of not wanting to come off my lips, so I had to end up going in with a concealer because I just couldn't get it off. And that's a good problem, but here's the next shade called Carmen. This color was not the color I expected. It shows brown on here, but on me, it was purple. So I don't know. I thought that was a little misleading because I was like, oh, it's brown. And then I apply it, and out the tube on the applicator, it's purple. See? The color is there, but then the more that I begin to spread it around, do you see how patchy it starts to get? I don't know. These kinds of colors are hard to get right anyways. But I like the color. It's just really patchy, and it took a lot of work with it. I don't know. I didn't like this one. This one was my least favorite one, not because of the color, but because of the formula and how patchy it was. It took me a while to work with it. gone in with a second layer on this to see if it'll help salvage it or do anything, and it helped a little bit, but it was still really patchy. It didn't dry out my lips though, a second layer, but it wasn't my favorite because of this, so yeah, I have mixed thoughts about it. And I'm going to show you it up close. See, this is up close. Sorry about the uneven application, but yeah, it's just really patchy, and I was like, no, you know what I mean. But this is the lipstick, Carmen. And here's this one that I'm wearing right now. It's actually called Rosette, and this one is by London Rimmel. I did not haul it at Dollar Tree, but I just thought I'd show you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.